In a shocking incident, a total of 14 children have been infected with hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and HIV after receiving blood transfusions in the northern state of Uttar Pradesh, India. According to a report in the Hindustan Times newspaper, these children all suffer from thalassemia, an inherited blood disorder that leads to abnormal hemoglobin levels. According to the reports, which quotes medical professionals, the children may have contracted multiple diseases while undergoing transfusions at both private and district hospitals and in certain urgent situations even locally. These infections came to light during testing at the government-run Lala Lajpat Rai Hospital in Kanpur. Currently, the center provides blood transfusions to 180 thalassemia patients, each of whom undergoes screening for viral diseases every 6 months. Arun Arya, the head of pediatrics at Kanpur's Lala Lajpat Rai Hospital, reported that among these children, 7 tested positive for hepatitis B, 5 for hepatitis C, and 2 for HIV. The affected kids range in the age of 6 to 16. While it is difficult to pinpoint the exact cause of the infection, Arya said that the blood transfusion may have taken place during the so-called window period. As per Dr. Arya, blood donations undergo rigorous testing to ensure their safety for transfusion. Nevertheless, there exists a time frame known as the window period during which the virus may not be detected by these tests after someone gets infected. This means that during the window period, someone can be very infectious but still test negative for HIV or hepatitis. Different types of tests have different window periods. However, according to the other medical professionals at the hospital, there's a belief that the tests for viruses which are supposed to be routinely performed on donated blood may have been ineffective. This could have led to the infections as indicated in the report. At the time of transfusion, the doctor should have vaccinated the children against hepatitis B, Arya was quoted as saying. Meanwhile, a senior official of the Uttar Pradesh National Health said that they are tracing the root of the infection. The official said, and I quote, "District level officials will trace the root of infections under the Viral Hepatitis Control Program. The team will look for the place of infection both for hepatitis and HIV."